everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this blanket. I made this blanket from some wool that I had left, and as you can see I used this stitch. It's called the basket stitch. It's not difficult to make. Hope that you try it. Hook I am using number 5 millimeters, as you can see here. Number 5 millimeters. Now, I made 160 chains. I started with 160 chains. Now I'm going to go in the fourth chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to do a treble. A treble is a DC, a double crochet in American. Treble is in English, double crochet is in American. And I'm going to do a treble as I told you. In each chain that I have, I went in the fourth chain. And I'm going to do a double treble in each chain that we have. You continue like this, making a double treble in each chain. Continue like that. So the first row is ready. We made a treble in each one of we had. We start the next row with 2 chains. Now we skip this one, the first one, we go in the second one. We put the hook over here and we make a treble. That is 1. Again, we go in the next one, we put the hook from behind of it. 2. We go to the next one from behind. 3. And we go to the other one from behind. And 4. So in all we have 4 like this. Now we're going to do it from the front. Not like this. We're going to put the hook here. Like this, we put the hook from the front. That is 1. Again, like this. That is 2. From the back. That is 3. Another one from the back. And that is 4. So 4 from the back, 4 from the front. Now the next one, we put it on the back. So we make 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again now from here. Put the hook from here on the front now. The hook is on the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you continue like that. 4 from the back, 4 from the front, 4 for the back, 4 the front. You continue all the row like that. Now we finished here with 4 from the back, as you can see, and we have the last stitch here. In the last stitch we make half a treble or half double crochet, like that. Now we make another 2 chains, 1 and 2. We turn the work around. Now as you can see, we have to start with 2 from the front. With the trebles. The hook you put it on the front like that. And we make 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To continue like we were doing before. Now, for the hook from the back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you continue all the row like that. You make 4 from the front, the hook on the front, 4 the hook on the back, 4 the hook on the front, 4 on the back. You continue all the row like that. Row is ready and we finish the last stitch here with half a treble here. Now we start with 2 chains. So we did 2 rows like this. Now we're going to change. We're going to do the first 2 rows like this, then the first 4 like this, and the second 4 like this one. So these, we put the hook like this from behind. Now we're going to put the hook from the front like this. And make 4 trebles. We're going to work the opposite. That is 1. That is 2. Three, and another one, 4. Those are the first 4 from the hook, the front. Now we're going to put the hook on the back. So we go from here, the hook from the back, as you can see. That is 1. Again, on the back of the stitch, of the treble, 2, 3, and 4. So we made the first 4, the hook on the front, the next 4, the hook on the back. And you continue like that, the hook on the front, the hook on the back. You continue like that. We're going to do the opposite now of where we did here. Have a treble this row, as you can see. It's coming the opposite now. Now we turn the work around, 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now, here we have to go from the back now, because we make 2 rows of the same and 2 rows. We change the stitch to every 2 rows. Now this is from the back, 1. The hook, you put it on the back, 2, 3, the back of the stitch, and 4. Like this. 2 like this, 2 like this. Now this one, we put the hook on the front, like this, on the front of the stitch. We make 4 like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we continue doing like that. 2 from the back, 2 from the front. 2 from the back, 2 from the front. On this one, on this side, it's like that. The stitch comes like that. And even on the other side, it's the same, as you can see. It's the same. You alter at every 2 rows. Now when you turn around, these have to be like this. And these have to be like this. You make 2 rows and 2 rows. You alternate. Now after you finish this row, you start again from the beginning. From the first row that I showed you. Then you do the second row. Then the row after. You turn the stitch. You start from this. You continue like that until you have the length, sorry, that you want. And this is the final result how the stitch came. As you have seen, it's not difficult to make. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.